Hey everybody, this is Churchman here, and I got this party poppers, and I'm gonna cut it open. And hopefully it don't explode on me. Well, it looks like there's all the confetti. It's like another cardboard layer. Maybe I can reach in there with this. Okay, this thing right here is the whole thing that makes it go. That makes the confetti blow out. Okay.
I want to see.
No, I don't know if I pull on this if it'll explode. But what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna grab this with the pliers. If my cameraman will zoom in on this.
No problem. Where do you want it at?
Zoom in on this area, not too close.
Probably you have to light on
Like,
fire.
I don't think it's too close. Like, it's not.
What area is it?
It's
So here?
in the center. All three like
I know, he's making a video.
rectangles in the center. Like when you had it where it
Can I
was.
see this real quick? What did you do?
Wow.
Did you squeeze it?
Oh, I just pulled it down. Okay. Well, that was loud.
It's gonna fuck out of me.
But that's what's in them. But anyways, Churchman, peace out. Don't forget to like and subscribe.